What are some of the advantages of being in the state of ketosis? Hi guys, Cherian Kappen here, founder of Ytalife. Now, you know the ketogenic diet, I'm pretty sure you guys must have heard of it. It's been one of the most commonly searched things over the last couple of years. So this diet was actually developed in the 1920s to actually help treat epilepsy in a lot of children. What they found was that this diet actually reduced the number of seizures that a lot of children with epilepsy started having. Now, the ketogenic diet essentially puts you in a state of ketosis. Now, mind you, that is not the only way you can get into ketosis. Fasting is another way. Regular exercise, and if you're fat adapted, that can also put you in and out of ketosis regularly. Now, ketosis, the state, has been shown to promote the production of healthier mitochondria. Now, mitochondria is the powerhouse of your cell. If your mitochondria is not healthy, then your energy output from each cell might not be the best, and this can affect a lot of energy demanding organs and tissues like your muscle, heart, brain, etc. So one important thing in terms of aging slowly and more graceful is that we gotta have very good quality mitochondria. Now, studies have shown that ketosis can actually reverse certain damage to mitochondria, and it can increase the number of mitochondria too, even in your neurons, your brain cells. So that is one big advantage of ketosis. Now, of course, the most obvious advantage of ketosis is, well, fat burning. This is what everybody wants to hear the most, right? As your body burns fat, ketone molecules are made and you're in the state of ketosis. The most common ones that we have all heard of might be beta-hydroxybutyrate, acetone, and acetoacetate. Now, these are very powerful ketone bodies and they serve a lot of energy throughout the body. And the most common thing that a lot of people have said is like the brains feel more active and focused and alive. That's why ketones have been commonly referred to as rocket fuel. And when you compare carbohydrates or glucose, they call that petrol, your normal gasoline. Now, the state of ketosis can also increase something called BDNF, brain-derived neurotrophic factor, which is associated with better neuronal connections and growth of these neurons too. Now, you don't really need to be in a ketogenic diet to get into ketosis. Like I said, you can do a fasting, you can do a fast mimicking diet, or if you're fat adapted where you're having a healthy lifestyle with a balance of healthy fats, carbohydrates, and protein, you can get in and out of ketosis too. So you can see how there's a lot of advantages to being in the state of ketosis. And now, what do we recommend? Should you be in the state of ketosis throughout? Of course not. It's best to be fat adapted so that you can live a more healthier and balanced life. The ketogenic diet would be quite restrictive, like we have spoken in one of our earlier videos, because it's very strict. 75% of your calories should be coming from fats, 20% from protein, and around 5% from carbohydrates, which is mostly leafy greens and fiber, by the way. So living in this society with a lot of people around, that would be difficult. But if you're somebody who wants to try it out, go ahead. There's no issue. Trying it out does not really have a lot of health consequences. Certain very rare cases, there's something called ketoacidosis where there's too much ketones in the body and that could be harmful. Now, the number of reports online, of course, have been very few. So the ketogenic diet, do we recommend the diet? Of course not. We do not promote any sort of diet because it's not sustainable. But it's something that you guys can try out if you would like. Because I've done it personally and the state of ketosis was pretty amazing because you get a lot more brain power, you can feel more energy, and the sense of well-being is quite higher when you're in the state of ketosis. Alright, so I hope you guys understood the advantages of being in ketosis. And again, the ketogenic diet, ketosis, two different things. The ketogenic diet is a way of getting into ketosis, but ketosis as such is different, as in it is not directly correlated to the ketogenic diet. You can do fasting and fast mimicking diets, etc. also to get into ketosis. As always, stay informed, stay aware, and stay healthy, guys. I will see you in the next video so that we all can live a life without limitations. Alright.